Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And here today, I'm introducing you guys about model form. In this lecture, I will show you how to use it. Yeah, let's imagine I have an example like um, I want to create a function or like a form for entering student grade. Yeah, so how to do it? So let's check what is more actually happening underneath the hood. Well, let's take a closer look at my screen. Here I'm in PyCharm, and I will create a new project name. I will name it like form form. Yeah, create this window. Okay, here it is. Okay, open the terminal. So I first I will initialize project. Thing. Yeah, is indexing, updating indexes. Yeah, form and pip install Django. Installing Collada package. Yes, successfully installed. Okay. Now I will initialize project student form. Yeah, through this command Jan Django dash admin start project student form. Yeah, we got student form here, and create an I'll create an cd to student form, cd student form. Let's run it. Python manage py run server. Okay. Yeah, the install worked successfully. Okay, turn it off. And now I create some apps. Okay, I create an app called Rate. So Django dash admin start app great. Great. Okay. Mm, yeah, we got great here. Student form and grade. And then we have to declare it. Yeah, we have to declare in our file setting .py. Yeah, like click here, apps.py name grade, copy it, grade, uh, uh, dot apps and grade config, as grade config, dot grade config. Okay. Okay, it seems okay. And now we'll move to model. So um uh, I will define some model. Remember I was telling you about I want to create a form for entering the student grade. So we have to I would define class like entering 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 is inherit from model dot model and that form and that form must be student name equal model dot char fill max length set it 50 and class name is equal model dot char fill and max length is equal 70. Student name, class name, and course name is equal model dot char fill max length is equal 100. Yeah, we got grade model dot cloud fill and set default is equal 0. Yeah, I want to know who is the like inputter, whose input and the time the time there the input. Yeah, so I got input time is equal model dot date time fill. Default is equal default is equal, so I have import something like from Django dot hotels import time zone, like time zone, so default is equal time zone dot date time dot now. Now okay, like includer is equal model dot char fill max length 50. Yeah, I will explain why we have to have inputter here, just because I want to know exactly person who responsible for entering. Yeah, it's just like that. Yeah, go ahead. I will show you. I'm showing you guys how to create a corresponding form for our models, and indeed how to save it in database. For in order to do this, we have to create a file forms.py. So selected on the smart here forms.py, and here we are from Django import forms, and from models import entering define a class like input form is inherit from forms dot model form. Yeah, I use class method. Model is equal like entering and these fields are like student name, first name or class name, and course name. Yeah, like I set the fields like this because yeah, like if you really want all these fields are displayed, so you set this like this. You set these fields like this, and I don't want input time or input are displaced. So I don't write it down. Yeah, so we got model is equal entering and fields is equal just equal student name, class name, or course name. Okay, almost here. All right, we got model, we got forms. So let's create a template for it, like directory template. Great. Yeah. Um, why I have set this the name is equal to our apps because I've mentioned before. So if you don't know how to do this, so let's go to the previous lesson. Okay. And here I created HTML file for like writing title student rate, like in body. I initialize the form tag form action equal and method is equal post the form tag. So I want to print out this variable like form here form. So I have to create it and then I print it out. So I will create this variable at our file views.py. Okay, start from input form, right? Input form grading views. Okay, uh, from dot forms import input form and I initialize a def function def like input grade input request, pass in a request, and initialize a variable like um, inputting is equal input form and return render request and the path to our template like grade dash grading.html. Here is our dict form inputting. Okay. Okay, Okay. It seems okay. Oh, so we still got this import with import path and include. We have to make create a URL for our app. Like include rate, right? Rate rate dot URLs. Okay, and create a URL for this. New URLs y copy it, and we don't need this. We don't need this as well. Path. So like form. Okay, let's run our server. Python manage.py run server. Maximum recursive dead indexes. Oh, we got a mistake here with the did include. I'm so sorry. So this must be view dot great input and name is equal form great. So we got we have to import views here from dot import views. So run again. Python. Let's server. Page now file form. Yeah, student name, like class name or course name. Yeah, like I assume student names, class name, A, B, C, or course name, C, D, F. Okay, yeah, and I've just created a form for student for entering the student's grade, and here's just our part one. And in the next lesson, I mean part two, I will show you how to create a button for saving all of this data in our server. So that's the end of part one, and I hope you guys can yeah can understand how to deal with forms.py. And anyway, thanks for watching.